You sit at your desk for 8 long hours, feeling completely exhausted, but you actually accomplished absolutely nothing important today. You probably feel incredibly guilty right now, wondering why you were working so hard without making any real, meaningful progress. The brutal truth is that you are not actually working hard at all. You are just trapped in fake busyness. You spend your precious morning reorganizing your perfectly clean desk, checking emails 50 times, and color-coding your massive to-do list. Your brain loves doing these tiny, meaningless tasks because they provide a quick hit of dopamine without requiring real effort. This creates a dangerous illusion of productivity that drains your mental energy while leaving your biggest, most important projects completely untouched. If you want to stop wasting your life and finally achieve your massive goals, you need to completely rewire your focus. You can escape this exhausting cycle of fake work by implementing 3 simple psychological strategies into your daily morning routine. The very first step is forcing yourself to identify and eliminate the tasks that make you feel busy but achieve absolutely nothing. You must practice a famous productivity rule called eating the frog, which means tackling your hardest, most intimidating task first. Before you even think about opening your email inbox or checking your phone, you must spend 90 minutes on your biggest goal. When you finish the hardest thing first thing in the morning, the rest of your day feels incredibly light and effortlessly easy. You instantly build massive momentum and replace that cheap, fake productivity dopamine with the deep satisfaction of actual, undeniable progress. The second critical step is brutally eliminating the silent productivity killer known as context switching, which is destroying your daily focus. Every single time you switch from a complex work document to check a quick text message, your brain suffers a massive penalty. Science shows it takes your brain over 20 minutes to fully regain deep focus after just one tiny, seemingly harmless distraction. You might think you are an amazing multitasker, but your brain is actually just rapidly switching attention and burning through your energy. This is exactly why you feel completely burned out by 3 in the afternoon, even when you have not finished your work. You must put your phone in another room and block all desktop notifications when you sit down to do your deep work. Treat your focused work blocks as sacred time and watch how quickly you can finish an 8-hour workload in just 3 hours. The third and final step is mastering the art of the low-friction start to overcome the paralyzing fear of starting big projects. We often avoid real work because our brains perceive the massive project as a huge threat that will cause us intense pain. You stare at the blank page and feel completely overwhelmed, so you immediately retreat to the safety of sorting your junk email. To beat this invisible resistance, you must trick your brain by making the very first step so ridiculously small that you cannot fail. Tell yourself that you are not going to write the entire report today, you're just going to write one single sentence. Promise yourself that you will only open the specific software program and look at the interface for exactly 2 short minutes. By removing the massive pressure of finishing the entire project, you completely bypass the fear center in your highly anxious brain. Once you actually start typing that first sentence or opening that document, the magical force of momentum instantly takes over your body. You will almost always keep working past those initial 2 minutes because starting is always the hardest part of any difficult task. Stop beating yourself up for being lazy when your real problem is simply a lack of strategic systems to manage your attention. You are highly capable of doing incredibly hard things, but you have to stop hiding behind the comfortable illusion of fake work. True productivity is not about doing a million tiny things perfectly. It's about doing the right things with intense, unbroken focus. Tomorrow morning, find your biggest, ugliest frog, put your phone in another room, and commit to just 2 minutes of real action. You will be absolutely shocked by how much you can accomplish when you finally stop getting in your own way every single day. Reclaiming your time and mastering your focus is the ultimate superpower in a world completely obsessed with constant, meaningless digital distraction. If you are ready to stop faking your productivity and want more powerful tricks to upgrade your life, hit that subscribe button now. Join us right here at Daily 5, where we bring you the ultimate life-changing habits to keep you growing every single day.